Thank you. No.
You like it, tea?
Oh, it's so good.
So guys, have you seen this before? I know you're familiar with pancake, right?
Well, yeah, I have seen it before actually.
Where?
In Indonesia.
Martabak manis tuh, look at that. Sarangnya, cantik banget. Bersarang-sarang dia. Martabak pertama di Kanada. Yeay, martabak manis. Indonesian pancake katanya. Ceres. Ceres.
Wow.
Yes. So, and then the peanuts. I don't want to put the cheese because I'm not sure about the cheese. Just like this. Guys, you don't have peanut allergy, right?
We just ate the peanut sauce with the satay.
No, there was no peanut. And then, terakhir. It's okay, let's see. I can do this. Pasti can make it better than me. But yeah, whatever. And then we flip it. Gosong. Aduh, maaf ya agak gosong. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is Indonesian pancake. Oh yeah. So the difference with our pancake here is that the dough is really thick. Wow. So as you see, and then we fill with like a lot of saras, and then the filling you can just choose anything you want to put.
So what
in
is
there.
the filling?
So yeah, what is the filling?
In there I put saras. You know the saras, the sprinkle.
Chocolate sprinkles.
Chocolate sprinkles.
Okay.
Ah, wait, it is one.
Both.
Oh yeah. Just to make sure. Just to make sure.
Because there's a really different size in here. Like, this is actually.
Yes, and then with the peanut, and then I put a bit condensed milk.
Yes.
Exactly
Oh,
on top of it. So yeah, and Indonesia loves to eat it for like it's like our sweet snack. So you eat it at night mostly after you have dinner.
Perfect for you.
And yeah, so just grab and then have a try. I want to see how you react. I'm sorry, this one is a little bit dark. It was too hot, the pot though.
So just like this?
Like,
yeah, just like, or maybe like try with that one because this is better.
yeah, I can't try this one. Because like, to be honest with you.
Oh. You have to take it with your hands. Oh, do you need like small plate?
This is actually so strong. Let me get this one.
I get some, yeah.
Yeah, please. So because the...
Do you need help, Alex?
Yeah. Thank you. No.
You like it? Is it good?
Oh, it's so good.
That's really good.
You like it?
Thank you.
This with milk would be good.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound weird, but that's really good.
Yeah, with milk. Yeah, you eat the drink milk, you mean, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't taste yum yum.
Yeah, I don't put a lot of.
I love that it's still hot, actually.
Yes, fresh from the oven. But it's still okay from that one because it's a bit dark. The taste is fine.
It's good.
Seconds already.
It's the first one still.
Is it your third one? Like everybody just bite and this is Tiago's third already.
It's so good.
Oh, I'm so happy you like it. Maybe I should say like that here, eh? Because
Yeah,
crabs
you
is
should.
nothing. Crabs is nothing, right? This is so thin, but that one,
So this is thick.
this is thick, yes.
Why are you looking at me?
Hey guys, you see?
Reaksi. They're actually really good.
Yeah, get more.
How are you?
No, just it. Just like leave me
She's
like
on keto.
here. Just that one. No, I mean like just leave that one for me.
It's not good.
Oh, you thought like I told you just eat this one. Oh no, just like that small one for me and you
I don't even want
can.
that one. Go for it.
I still have one in the pocket. I can put the last one though. Just eat.
Alright. I'm gonna go for this one.
Yeah,
It's
It's
really
actually
good.
really good. It's actually really good.
Jennifer's
already now.
vegetarian. She doesn't eat that thing. What's the relation?
Oh wait, I kind of broke something here. She's not vegetarian, guys.
I know. I think
I'm
it's
just gonna eat this one.
You want
Yeah.
the chicken? No chicken, did you know?
Good.
Actually, with the chocolate chips and the peanuts, it almost tastes like Nutella or something.
Yeah, right.
Right? So like crunchy Nutella. I love it.
Good. Have more.
on the diet.
Oh, let's go ice cream. And I forgot that. I'm like, not with the 100% sugar level that you get.
But the dough can be a bit sweeter. I didn't put a lot of sugar in there. Maybe next time I'm gonna put a lot of sugar. No, that's perfect like that?
Sweet enough, yeah.
Okay.
Actually, too much sweet would be like
Too much sweet, okay.
too much, yeah. That looks perfect. For me.
I
What about
think
you,
because
Jennifer?
this one I forget to put the condensed milk. That one with condensed milk, so I think this is get more sweeter.
100% sugar.
You're gonna pack chicken nuggets and like honey?
It makes fun of me because I eat chicken nuggets with honey.
That's so disgusting.
You can have it with onion?
I mean,
Honey. No.
Honey?
She got chicken nuggets, she dump in the honey and eat it.
What's wrong with you?
Right? That's so disgusting.
But you also eat it with like sweet and sour sauce, right? It's like almost the same. Sweet, the
and
sweet of the sweet and
McDonald's
sour.
gives you honey.
I'm
And
so
then
full.
dessert.
I had the dessert, the dinner, and dessert.
Yay! So guys, do you like the martabak money?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Great.
Wow!
It's like a crab. No, not crab. Crepet? What is it name?
Crepe, yeah. Crepe.
Yeah, that one.
The French.
Yeah, the French
Crab.
one. No, the bad word. The French version with steroids. Because
Yeah, it's like 10 times the size, something like this, yeah.
it's good. It's actually really good.
And crabs with steroid?
It's like crab with steroids because like the crab is like this size and this thing is like this.
Yeah. And for the crabs, if you like eat one, you're never full, right? You always want
Yeah,
another
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that's kind of like you buy one and like you're done.
You're done, yeah.
But it's good.
Because Indonesians are generous, so that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Well,
I can
perhaps
see
just
that.
a little bit?
Yeah, I
Just
can.
pour all of it.
I've been eating the whole day today.
I like how it kind of tastes like Nutella, but it's like not Nutella.
Yeah, I use the Sarah's chocolate sprinkles. It's like from Indonesia,
Oh.
so yeah, it tastes like Nutella though. So. And you said it's not that sweet, right? The dough,
Yeah.
which is good. I didn't put a lot of sugar.
Really good. 10 out of 10. Must buy dessert. I like it. I like because that's gonna sound weird, but I like take like stuff like that.
Girls.
The girls. So I like this kind of stuff. Like maybe I could take like this kind of stuff, like strong. I say take too much of it. So this is good. I like the chocolate. I like the crunchy or the peanuts. And this thing was actually one of the goodest things I eaten here.
Really?
On the channel, yeah, that was actually so good. That was actually really, yeah, it was actually really good.
It's coming from Diego who eats chicken breast. So
Yeah.
never eats sweets, and he said that's the best food he ever had.
That was actually one of the best things.
I give my best for this chicken. He said, no, this one is the best food.
No, wait. When you go like that, it sounds like I'm a jerk. Okay, this is
No,
actually
no,
really
okay.
good. It's actually really good. I mean, if you give, if you give me a whole thing of that, I might not gonna finish because but this is good. This is actually really good. I like the texture. I like the chocolate, like you said. It's not that sweet, so it's like perfect for me.
Yeah.
And I did like 3 slices, like not 3 slices. I just did like 3 pieces. It was actually really good. So thumbs up.
Thank you. This one is much better.
So yeah, I agree to everything that Thiago said. So I love the sweet chocolate chips or crisps or what is in there, and like the crunchiness of the peanuts. And I think actually this martabak is one of my favorite desserts from Indonesian cuisine. I guess.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It looks like the.
He's not a big fan of the sweet, I see.
It looks like the dorayaki.
Dorayaki,
Yeah.
It can be like
Kind of snake from Japan.
Yeah, I know dorayaki.
Yeah,
yes,
the
yes,
Doraemon's
it's
favorite.
Yeah, but like dorayaki is actually Japanese pancake, right?
Kind of.
And it's
I like
just
it.
this kind of
But they all.
You eat dorayaki? No.
But usually they're using the red beans,
Oh yeah, exactly.
not
so.
chocolate or.
No, yeah, we use like cheese, chocolate, any kind of topping you want to put in.
Probably half sugar is better.
It's already like less sugar.
Because I always drink sugar-free bubble tea.
Oh, there's such a
Oh,
thing.
really?
Oh yeah.
Friends.
I am on diet. 100% sugar level. Even the girl's like, are you sure about that? Yes. 100% sugar level, 0% ice.
I like still eating. Yes. Oh, you finish it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it as
It's really
well?
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's similar to pancakes, right? But
It is, yeah. It's like it's thicker.
But it's-
Indonesian pancake is really rich of topping and also like the
The
very
dough.
famous with the thick dough. Yes.
yeah, that's the difference. I think the dough is different. The
Mhm.
taste of the dough. And yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
The thicker the better.
Thicker the better.
Hashtag safety. I'm dying.
All right, thank you guys. So I'm gonna sell it maybe next time. In one.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Oh, imagine like that. Okay, imagine this with like vanilla ice cream.
Tiago, something immature.
I'm dying. I'm being mature. My bed is here. It was so good though. That was actually really good. Imagine like that. Oh, that was like jelly with it. Oh, like peanut butter and jelly.